The trial for a massive lawsuit over families sickened in the Navy's Red Hill fuel spills begin. Eddie Dowd spoke with a group who flew in today to testify about their experience.
We spoke with 4 people who will be testifying in the case against the United States government over tainted water. There are 7,500 clients with 16 bellwether or lead plaintiffs. A Honolulu federal judge must decide how much plaintiffs could get in damages for their illnesses and medical bills. The upcoming trial is getting national attention, being featured over the weekend on 60 Minutes.
Was anyone fired because of this?
At the time that the accountability came through, we had officers that had already retired.
The government admits it was responsible for the fuel spills in 2021 that tainted Pearl Harbor's tap water and sickened more than 7,400 people. We spoke with 4 of them. I have to ask, is there any feeling of nervousness?
I'm ready to go. I'm ready to, share the truth.
I would lie to you if I didn't say there was some nerves involved with it.
We never imagined being here.
The lawsuit's lead plaintiffs have symptoms that include gastrointestinal problems, rashes, seizures, and breathing issues. Army Major Amanda Fine's husband, Patrick, is one of the plaintiffs in Monday's trial.
So with the issues came tinnitus and vertigo and vestibular dysfunction, lost 25 pounds. It was a really, really low point in my journey.
Coda and Nastasia Freeman will also be testifying on Monday. Coda has served 13 years in the Navy and was stationed in Hawaii with his wife in 2021.
We're going to tell our truths. We're going to tell, what the past 2.5 years look like, and that's going to be hard.
In court documents, the Department of Justice said in part, quote, "The United States breached its duty of care to resident plaintiffs in the operation of Red Hill, and that as a result of the nuisance, they suffered injuries compensable under the Federal Tort Claims Act." But the government also argues residents were only exposed to jet fuel temporarily and may have symptoms from the stress.
There's been a lot of conversation and a lot of medical gaslighting and downplaying the significance of what's happened to all of our families and our children. And they've been through over 400 appointments. We've been, I think the tally the other day was 481 appointments, several surgeries, hospitalizations.
Unfortunately, this trial is going to end next week. But the fight for our families, the fight for the families that are still on island, to get the medical care that they need, to get the help that they need, that's not going to go anywhere.
Eddie Dowd, Hawaii News Now.